Dr. Young-Ha Chi, an instructor in Korean at Oxford's Oriental Institute, part of the prestigious university, thinks this new species will save Earth from annihilation from climate change. Dr. Chi first said the hybrids may already exist in a lecture in 2012 but has now written a book on the subject. He believes there is a strong correlation between climate change and alien abductions, the Oxford student newspaper has reported. His book, written in Korean, is called Alien Visitations and the End of Humanity. He says he has identified 4 types of aliens: small, tall, and bold, scaly with snake eyes, and insect-like. Dr. Chi believes the insect aliens may be in charge and give orders to the other types. The aliens exist in their own biosystem that humans cannot experience because our perception is limited by our organs, the professor has claimed. As the aliens are said to be highly intelligent, so Dr. Chi believes they could solve the problems on Earth in the future, such as climate change. He said, "So, they come not for the sake of us, but for the sake of them, their survival, but their survival is actually our survival as well, the survival of the entire biosphere." Dr. Chi said he was still looking for more evidence to support my view. His initial lecture, Alien Abduction and the Environmental Crisis, outlined his theory. He cited an abduction researcher in the US, who argued that aliens' primary purpose is to colonize the planet by interbreeding with humans to produce a new hybrid species. Dr. Chi believes aliens appear on Earth when the planet is facing significant problems, such as climate change or nuclear war, and he concluded, it may be more or less assumed that the hybrid project is a response to this impending demise of human civilization.